Alright, now we'll work on compressing the shock here. Thankfully, I didn't realize it on the new shocks. You do not have to reuse this part here. You do have to reuse the plastic portion here just to line up your coil, so you will be able to line it up in the strut mount. I bought a new one of these. You can see how badly messed up that is. The car should ride a lot better. So there's the mount for that one. First, we gotta get it off. Alright, got it pretty tight there. Had to get a couple different sets of these spring compressors to try them, and this set seemed to be the easiest to use. You can buy these or rent these from O'Reilly's. You want to be careful around the strut housing here, just not to tear it or anything. I'm going to try to get this all in one fell swoop. I found out just tapping them in seemed to work. And obviously, this is my second time doing one, but you do want to keep them evenly spaced. So we'll set the other one probably here and here, and just keep it nice and even, and then tighten them together in unison. Tops of the spring compressors are 3/4. I figured out or thought of a way for me to make it a little bit easier to start. Alright, so that's the quick way to get started. And you can use an air ratchet too. I'm just gonna, since this is my second time, I'm just gonna do it this way so I don't tear up anything. Alright, so we're trying to get it off. A couple more threads to go. Yeah, so you can see there's just a few more threads that have got to come up, and it's pretty stubborn. Pretty stubborn at the moment. We'll see what we have to do. Yeah, it looks like there's a bushing of some sort that's falling apart in there. Yeah, I can see it there. Let's see what we need to do about that. Not sure right at this moment. Real crumbly, the residue, so it may just be bad. So we don't want to stick it back on there and then find out. Oh wait. It would probably be, this would be at the bump stop here. So we'll look up what parts are available. Alrighty, so I went to O'Reilly's, and as you can see down there, the deterioration of the absorbing material on this strut cover here. Plus it's kind of torn right there. And a guy at the O'Reilly's made a good point that passenger side you get a lot more wear. So I bought what was in stock for $13. It'll fit, you know, like so. This will go inside. This will fit on over the top pretty well. I think what I'll do is it fits pretty well. I think I might put a washer over here. I'm not sure yet. I think I'll put this here, and then I might put a large washer over the top if I can find one, and then slide this down, and we'll see how it goes. But we'll try this. It's got a nice indentation there, and we'll see how it goes there. Alright, so what I decided to do was stick this washer in here. Need to double check, make sure it is aluminum. That may or may not be such a good idea. We'll see. But it would fit over the shoulder here and slide over the top. So, and then we'll put this, this is a steel washer over the top here, and it'll bottom out there. And then once we put the this portion on, it should mash down correctly. So we'll see how this works. If that helps any of you, this is the Master Pro Strut Mount Kit FM 1585 from O'Reilly. So we'll find out if this works right. Now, understandably, I should be doing this to both sides, but I already have the other side together. So we'll try this. If we need to redo it later, we'll know what to do. But this looks like it should flex pretty well. We're going to try it anyways and just see what happens. So I don't think it'll be dangerous. Worst comes to worst, this falls apart, and yeah, the aluminum may fall apart. We'll see how much of a mount shock that is. So you know, there could be some issues. We'll find out. We'll find out. We're going to give it a try and see what it does. But that'll be a solid mount there. The more I talk about this, the more I'd rather have a steel shoulder on that. Let's see what I can find. All right, folks, we got the correct or a steel washer in here, so it'll bend and not break compared to aluminum. We got our large washer here. We're gonna go ahead and put the cover over the top of it. We hope. Might be better to put this all the way through first. Yeah, I think that'll be better. So we'll leave it right there. We can zip tie. We can zip tie this in. Well, probably might want to zip tie that now, huh? So, and then that will go there. we'll put this here. Right there. We'll get a zip tie. So obviously I don't know if this is the best fix here, but we're gonna give it a try and see. So that'll fit there. Then this will go over the top. We'll see how it works. Got the spring all cleaned up here. Now remember you want to set up, we need to compress our spring first, but we do need to make sure we have the alignment correct. Alright, so that'll fit so. How old this little bearing piece is, I'm surprised how good it looks. Now maybe I should have replaced it, I don't know, but it looks like it's in pretty, I don't see any visible issues with anything, so I might put some anti-seize on our metal surfaces again, but for the most part it's pretty good. Watch your hands.